Almost 210 million smart TV units were sold in the world in 2019, but only a fraction of it can be used as a screen to stream video files from your computer. Unfortunately, many of them are significantly limited in the video formats they are able to play, forcing you to lose your time converting video files beforehand. Also, streaming protocols may vary for each device, so you have to find a solution that fits best to your needs. We want you to get rid from all of that hassle. Introducing Streamr app. Stream video files of any format to your Apple TV, Samsung or LG Smart TV directly from your Mac or PC. Streamr app will feature subtitle support, multiple audio track support and 4K HDR video support for selected TV models. So your home TV will get an upgrade. Streamr app will be available in mid-2022 for Mac and Windows.